It's one thing to create great videos, and it's another to get people to see your videos. One of the best ways to reach a greater audience is with Facebook. Upload your video to your Facebook page and take advantage of Facebook's advertising platform, which allows you to boost or promote your video via a Facebook ad. This is an opportunity to promote your home within a specific targeted market, as well as dial in location and demographics. It's also a way to pay to play. Even if you struggle with marketing, this is an avenue to ensure you expand your reach and distribution. It's also a way to employ a consumer direct marketing approach in which you target people where they're looking the most, online and on their cell phones. Now I'm going to give you a walkthrough on how to boost and promote videos and/or anything else that you have displayed on your business page. I just found a really cool posting from an event that I recently held at my office. Now what I'm going to do is, if you notice below the posting itself, you'll see a button that says Boost Post. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the steps of actually paying Facebook in order for them to promote my listing or promote my video clip specifically for me to a targeted group. So take the time and read through this. But what I want you to know is, number one, what we need to do is we need to understand what is our goal. We either want to get people to just simply see our videos, or we want to be able to get people to engage with our videos. And when promoting on Facebook, it's best for you to try different options and see what's going to give you the best results. The next thing I'm going to do is to create a market. So you'll notice on my screen here that one of the markets I already have previously saved is referred to as loan officers. I'm going to tap the option that says Add New, and we're going to create a new market. So I'm in the city of Rancho Cucamonga. So if I wanted to target the city of Rancho, I could. And if I wanted to add any other surrounding cities, I could do so by just simply typing in Ontario or maybe even Upland, California. Tap Done in the top right corner, and now I've targeted specifically 3 cities. What you can also do is you can also tap the option that says Address, and then you can enter in a specific address, or what Facebook will do is locate your digital device, and then you can target from a radius specifically from the address. So if you wanted to do a 5, 10 mile, 15 mile, 20 mile radius from the subject property in which you're wanting to promote, then you can do so. The next thing that you can do is you can actually go through and identify specific demographics. So what I would advise is to take the time looking at the demographics, interests, and/or behaviors of your target market. For the sake of simplicity, we want to keep this example relatively straightforward. So with that being said, we're going to target prospective first-time homebuyers for this property that we are promoting in the city of Rancho Cucamonga. I got a single-story home, so maybe I want to target from the age range of 30 to 55. I just made some adjustments on the age by simply dragging to the left or right. Next thing we're going to do is to choose our gender. Who are we targeting, men or women, or a combination of both? For a larger audience, we're going to stick with all, and then we're going to name this example. Let's just go ahead and put CAR example. Once our audience is set, we're going to tap Done in the top right corner. And now what we're going to do is we're going to work with Facebook. For example, for $10, we're going to be able to get in front of anywhere from 761 up to 2,000 people. Feel free to modify your budget so that way you could adjust what you want to spend and also, of course, what you want to reach. Right below, you'll notice a total duration. How many days do you actually want to promote this? If I wanted to do a total of 5 days, well, and if I'm spending $10, I'm in theory spending $2 per day, and that's how this is ultimately broken down with Facebook. Once it's set, ready to go, you're going to tap the Boost Post below. If you haven't already done so, you'll be prompted to enter your credit card. Once your credit card is entered, then it should pretty much be set, ready to roll from this point forward. You can promote your postings by way of Facebook ads directly from your desktop, your iPad, or any of your mobile devices. I hope these quick tips helped you. Make sure to watch our other videos to learn more, and I'll catch you on the next one.